What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Nguyen here again with another episode of Tech Time with Mr. Nguyen. In this episode, we are going to be learning some WeVideo basics. Now, WeVideo is a video editing platform that we're going to be using. It's cloud-based, and so that what that means is that it's going to save on the internet, and you can access your video anywhere as long as you're using a internet browser. Okay, so let's take a look at our goals for this episode. You're gonna be able to add a video track, add a music track, add a text box, and modify text. Okay, so if you go to wevideo.com, you're gonna see this screen right here, and if you have a Google account, which you should have, you're gonna click on sign up by using this Google icon right here. Once you click on that, it's gonna take you to a screen where you can select your Google account and start doing it. Okay, when you get to the dashboard is basically your home screen. You're gonna see this screen right here, and I'm gonna click on create new right here. Okay, and then I am going to, it's gonna give me some options right here. These are just like different ratios for your video. I'm just gonna keep it as original. This is the horizontal ratio, and I'm gonna click on start editing. So right away, as you notice, we have a few things that are going on right here on the left hand side right here. It says stock media. Now I am, just to let you guys know, I am using the free version of WeVideo, so there are some limitations in terms of like publishing it or export. So I can't export my video once I finish. It's just going to be able to view on the small screen like this, but that's okay. For the purpose of learning, we're going to use the free version. Now if you guys want to upgrade, that's up to you guys. But anyways, back to the stock media here. So the stock media basically has videos, music, pictures that's already out there. Now they have over 600,000 videos, music, soundtracks, and pictures for you guys to choose from. But remember, please keep in mind though, even though we are using this for an educational purpose, there different types of people and different industries use this platform to create their own videos. So just keep in mind that you make sure that you guys are looking up appropriate things, okay? As being good citizens on the internet, okay? So you can type in a keyword right here. So for example, you type vacation, all of these videos are going to show up, okay? You type in, let's type in happy to see what comes up. Okay, so these are videos of people being happy. So how do I differentiate between a video and a picture? Well, videos typically have timestamps right here. This is 17 seconds, this is 24 seconds. And if you scroll down a little bit further, pictures do not have a timestamp. That means that it doesn't run for a certain amount of time. So these are pictures instead of videos. Okay, so you can also click here to kind of refine the search, whether you're only looking for video, photo, graphics, motion graphics. So you can do this to kind of eliminate some stuff that you're not looking for. So let's just say that I want to only find music, and these are all the happy music. So I can click on it, and you can kind of hear. Okay, pretty cool, right? Press pause right here. So again, this is your stock media, and the way you get to that is by clicking on this tab right here. You got your My Media, which you can upload your own video or music or picture. Next up is text. So if you click on text right here, sometimes you're going to get this screen where it says upgrade your plan or try them. This is just their way of advertising to you to upgrade your plan. So I'm just going to click on try them because I'm using the free version. But basically all of these texts are basically text animations that you can use to add onto your video. Okay, And then audio is basically music that you can add. And then transition is how you can get two video clips or two audio clips to transition from one another. So it could be like a cross blur or any other types of effect, okay? And then you can add a background right here in this last tab right there. So pretty cool stuff. So let's try to drag and drop some videos and audio files to see what we can come up with, okay? So right down here, as you notice, I got my video track 1 and video track 2. These are tracks, and these numbers right here, they're basically the timestamp of my video. You can zoom in by grabbing on this right here, and then the more to the right you slide it, the more detail it's going to be. So you zoom in, see the time, you're going to be able to edit it a little more accurately if you zoom all the way in. Okay, so let's drag a video here. Let's see here. Let's grab this one right here. I'm going to make a little intro screen for Tech Time with Mr. Nguyen. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so I got a good background one right here. So I'm going to add a text by going to text. And let's add it. Oh, I like this text right here. So we can either place it on top like that. So notice that how it goes over my current background right now. So, and they're on different tracks. So they're not like really overlapping with each other. Okay. So how do I edit the text? Well, let's double click on this to see what happens. So I double click on the text track, and then I get to type in where it says ABC, the text boxes, tech time with Mr. Nguyen. And then of course you can change the font type, which I'm going to leave alone, but you can do that on your own. And then you can change the color type if you want to. So let's see, let's do, what does black look like? Oh, that's hard to see. We'll stick with white, and then this one, how about go with red? Oh, that's pretty bright. I don't want that. Something a little more subtle. Nope. A little too subtle right there. Okay, that's fine. We'll stick it, and then we're gonna hit save change right here, and then let's play it to see what happens. Tech time with Mr. Nguyen. That's pretty cool. So you can either shorten this by clicking on the clip right here and shortening it like right here. Okay, and then right now my audio, I don't have any cool music, so let's go to the stock media right here. I'm gonna type in static sound. Static to see what I get. Oh, that's pretty loud. Okay. Okay, so let's filter this out. I want like sound effects. See if that makes it better. Oh yeah, let's do this one right here because the background looks staticky. So let's do that, and then we're gonna shorten this. So notice right now, this thingy is, if I zoom in, whoops. Okay, let's shorten this right here. And let's zoom in right here to make the track a little longer. Okay, and then let's see, let's play it from the beginning. Press play to play. All right, it's a little too long. Let's shorten this just a little. And then let's see here. Typically I would say something, but you know what? I'm gonna do an upbeat music. I type in the keyword upbeat in stock media library, and I gotta change the filter. I want a music, not a sound effect. Let's see. I like this one right here, so let's grab this, put it right next to here. And then I can add in another background. So instead of doing music, I'm gonna do, let's do a video to make it upbeat right here. Let's go with training at the gym. Yes. Let's add in some text. Let's make it say, "Are you ready?" We're going to double click on the text box. We're going to type in, "Are you ready?" Secondary text is going to be for a brain workout. Save change. So let's play this from the beginning. So you can shorten this. And then we're going to add another text right here. And then we can do double click, turn on that computer. Let's start coding. Save change. All right, and then I'm going to shorten this video right here. I'm going to use this right here to zoom out to shorten my track so I can edit it quicker. We're going to shorten it. Okay, all right, so far so good. I'm going to leave that on, and if you guys don't want your text to be over a video, you can always grab another one right here and put the black text box right next to the video, but you got to cut the video short. And then let's see here. I'm going to double click on this, and we're going to say it's time to code. Okay, save it. And then notice that okay, so that's pretty much the basics of how you add a text, a video, and some audio onto your video with WeVideo. Now I want to show you one of my projects that I did for the book trailer. So I'm going to go back to my video right here. Let's rename this first. Example video. Hit OK. And then we're going to go back to our dashboard by clicking on dashboard up here. Okay. Let's watch my Little Red Riding Hood trailer right here. And click on edit. And I want you guys to check out my trailer for the book trailer. And that's it for my trailer. Notice that the pattern of my trailer creation is a mix of video, text box, video, text box, including the audio at the bottom. So give WeVideo a try. Let's see what you can come up with. Use it to create different video projects according to your creativity and imagination. All right. That's all for today on Tech Time with Mr. Nguyen. I'll catch you guys next time. See you later.